Flax seeds. Such a simple little seed, yet packed with so much goodness. I remember the first time I heard about the benefits of flax seeds. It was during a casual conversation with a friend who was raving about how she started incorporating them into her daily diet. She talked about how they were a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. I was intrigued. I decided to do some research of my own, and what I found was truly impressive. Flax seeds are indeed a nutritional powerhouse. Not only are they rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation, but they also contain lignans, a type of antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of cancer. And let's not forget about the fiber content. Flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help promote digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. Armed with this knowledge, I made the decision to start incorporating flax seeds into my daily routine. I began by sprinkling them on top of my morning oatmeal or yogurt. I loved the nutty flavor and crunch that they added. It wasn't long before I started noticing the benefits. I felt more energized throughout the day, and my digestion seemed to be running more smoothly. I also noticed that my skin was looking clearer and more radiant. As time went on, I started experimenting with different ways to incorporate flax seeds into my meals. I began adding them to smoothies, salads, and even baked goods. I loved how versatile they were and how they could easily be incorporated into just about any dish. And the best part was that they didn't alter the taste of the food too much, so I could enjoy all the benefits without sacrificing flavor. One of my favorite ways to enjoy flax seeds was by making flaxseed crackers. I would mix ground flax seeds with water, seasonings, and herbs, then spread the mixture thinly on a baking sheet and bake until crispy. The result was a delicious, crunchy snack that was perfect for dipping in hummus or guacamole. I loved how easy they were to make and how satisfying they were to snack on. As I continued to eat flax seeds every day, I started to notice even more benefits. My cholesterol levels began to improve, and I noticed a decrease in inflammation throughout my body. I also found that I was able to maintain a healthy weight more easily, as the fiber in flax seeds helped me feel full and satisfied after meals. But perhaps the most surprising benefit of all was the effect that flax seeds had on my mood. I found that I was feeling more positive and upbeat, and my stress levels seemed to be more manageable. I later learned that flax seeds contain compounds that may help regulate mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It was amazing to think that such a small seed could have such a profound impact on my overall well-being. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks turned into months, eating flax seeds every day became second nature to me. It was a habit that I didn't want to break, knowing all the incredible benefits that it was providing me. I felt healthier, happier, and more vibrant than ever before. So if you're looking to improve your health and well-being, I highly recommend incorporating flax seeds into your daily diet. Whether you sprinkle them on top of your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or bake them into a delicious treat, you'll be amazed at the positive impact that these tiny seeds can have on your life. Trust me, your body will thank you.